Spokane County Community Services Department is comprised of 3 separate divisions. Our developmental disabilities, which includes community inclusion and employment support. Our CARES division, which is our counseling and recovery services, providing rec therapeutic services and housing support in the community. And then our Spokane County Regional Behavioral Health Administrative Service Organization. And that's the one that provides services across 6 counties, ensuring that there's a crisis system network, that we ensure individuals have necessary gap coverage for any time that they don't have health insurance. We provide the necessary service. And anytime anyone receives an involuntary treatment service at a state hospital or in the community. And so in our department, we hit the greatest number of individuals in the community.
The Developmental Disabilities Program, as far as the adults we support in our employment and community inclusion services, our job is to help people find jobs and keep jobs. People with disabilities need to be part of the ebb and flow of everyday community life. When I say if you work, you win. People get that first paycheck, they're holding a paycheck in their hand and go, I've got a job. It's amazing. We have just countless success stories.
Another area where Spokane really truly is an innovative leader is in our comprehensive array of services that address from entry point to exit point within the behavioral health system. That includes our homeless outreach and stabilization and transition program that meets people in the community, on the street, under the bridges, exactly where they're at, and provides the necessary resources and connections to either access behavioral health or any other social determinant of health that they have identified as being needed.
Here in the county, homelessness is a big concern. Our program, in large measure, really helps beat the cycle of homelessness. When we're working with individuals, we want them to find permanent housing, and we work with them to maintain it. Our community is made up of individuals, so each individual whose quality of life we help improve then helps to improve the overall quality of life here in our community.
The Spokane County Community Services Department provides those services not only through the 6-county region, but more specifically in Spokane County itself. We've got services provided to those communities, very specifically addressing some of the rural needs that impact our county residents that need behavioral services but may have limited resources available in those areas. And most people don't realize exactly the wide array of intervention points that we actually work with. So one of the new programs that we've created here in Spokane County is really looking at youth-based services and meeting the need that currently exists. This is a brand new program. It's called our Initiative for Student Wellness, piloting it in various schools, and it is exciting to be able to be a part of this wonderful new program.
So we really wanted to create a program that was accessible to all kids in schools, regardless of insurance. And we know that our students are struggling with their mental health. They were struggling before the pandemic, and the pandemic just exacerbated an exponentially increasing issue with our young people inside of Spokane County and really across the nation.
One of the things that the county did that was powerful is they gave us a commitment of several years. And we were able to do 2 test schools this year. We worked with Centennial Middle School in West Valley School District and West Valley High School in West Valley School District. Our first year taught us a lot, and I think we're able to help quite a few students. We have students that might struggle with anxiety or depression, or might be struggling with food scarcity, or might not have a support system, that we can go out and offer them any kind of support or help that they need. And that, I think, is miraculous.
We ensure that all students, regardless of their background, have access to necessary services, and then when it's identified that a greater need exists, we refer them, a warm handoff into the community, to whatever service their family and the youth determine is necessary.
We want healthy, thriving kids who are able to function in their daily lives, in the community, in their families, and ultimately graduate and become great citizens of Spokane County. That's the ultimate goal of this program. We would be remiss if we didn't start by thanking the county commissioners, because without them, this project would not even be possible. So our county commissioners understand how valuable our young people are and how much they've been struggling, and they really chose to invest in our young people in Spokane County. Secondarily, I'd love to thank the school districts that we're partnered with, because without their strong buy-in, we wouldn't be successful.
So really this is a community effort, and being a part of this community, ensuring that it is vibrant and healthy, really is the core mission of Spokane County, and we're happy to be a part of it.